In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Monzo app on Android. This is a straightforward process, and I will guide you through each step. By the end of this video, you will be able to manage your banking needs directly from your mobile device. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Look for the familiar multicolored triangle icon, which is typically found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping this icon will launch the Play Store, where you can access a vast range of applications. This step is essential because the Play Store is the official platform for downloading apps on Android. If you have not logged in yet, you might be prompted to enter your Google account details. This is a simple process that ensures you have access to all features of the store. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store. This is where you can type in the name of the app you want to download. In this case, type Monzo. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below the search bar. This can save you time by letting you quickly select the app you need. It's important to enter the name accurately to find the correct application. Once you have typed Monzo, you can proceed to the next step. After typing in the search term, you will need to select the official Monzo Bank app published by Monzo Bank Limited. You can identify it by looking for the app icon, which is usually bright and distinctive, often featuring a shade of pink. Selecting the official app is crucial as it ensures that you are downloading a legitimate application. This helps keep your personal information safe and secure. Once you tap on the app, you will be directed to its download page where you can see more details about the app. Now you will need to tap the Install button. This button is usually prominently displayed on the app's download page. When you tap Install, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically on your device. This step is important because it enables you to access the features of the Monzo app, which can help you manage your finances more effectively. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. Once the installation is complete, there will typically be a notification to confirm that the app is ready for use. After these steps, you will find the Monzo app on your home screen or in your app drawer. You can now open the app and proceed with the setup process, which may involve logging in or creating a new account. This is an exciting moment because you are now equipped with a powerful banking tool right at your fingertips. Remember to check that you have a stable internet connection during the download to ensure a smooth experience. With these simple steps, you have successfully downloaded the Monzo app on your Android device. Now you can enjoy the convenience it offers for managing your banking needs. Thank you for watching, and happy banking!